Billy, dude. Billy, get ready. Billy, get ready, dude.
Dude, Dave, shut up.
Wait. Time out. That's not fair. It goes in the fucking way.
You're left on our team.
Cody got out, Ryan got out.
There we are.
Yes, no, I am over here. Way to fail. Where did that go?
Right next to him. But it's out of cover.
Dude, they don't know where we are. Nice slide. And he's back. Gun hit.
I lost my shoe.
Or finger hit. Go.
Give me all your money.
Oh,
What kind of pizza guy is here? There you go.
let's go.
I think seriously, I was.
They're camping back.
Move up, you guys. Why didn't they move up? You guys are retarded. If you're not gonna move up, we'll move up for you. Do it. Why not? No, don't shoot them as they move up. Just let them. No, don't.
That's a horrible idea.
All right. In the bushes, on the right.
He's out. He's out. Is that Dave or Bill? I hit him like 50 times in the head.
You're out then? No, dude, you're out.
That's my house.
Alright, Maver's out.
Got me in the fucking tit.
Oh, shit.
I like it.
My bad. He's gonna get owned.
Oh crap, no I can't shoot.
Got a sneaker.
Just go ahead and shoot. Shoot him, it's his fault.
Look, he's in my way.
Dude.
Oh.
Yeah.
Jason, do you bring a pitchfork?
What?
Pitchfork?
He wants to clean up the cement.
Not yet.
Keep thinking that's like Bill. I'm gonna get shot.
Oh, it was over.
Give him that, give him that.
Oh, nice shot.
Oh. Move up now.
Fail though.
Eh, screw you.
I want to go get with Jason. Wait.
What was I shooting at?
Bill probably. Oh, barricade fail. You lost your Glock. You lost the Glock.
Huh?
You lost the Glock.
I did?
Yeah,
Where's it?
right there.
You get it? Are they allowed in the shed?
Yes.
Yeah, this closing down.
Do a Jason move and drop kick it first. You remember that?
No.
He drop kicked it right into Hoover's face.
Oh God!
All right, out, out, out.
How? I am so lucky. I did not get hit once. This is a bad idea because now I probably will get hit. Nice! Through the crack of the door. Of course you can.
Get him, Bill. Oh, fuck! You didn't hit me, you missed! Shit.
Dude, that was scary.
Oh.
Well, now we know where he is. Kind of.
Jesus Christ.
Why didn't you just unload on him?
Am I the only one?
No, we still got Jason. And Frenchie. And Jason. He's in the shed, just go and unload. Blind fire.
No. Frenchie, come here. Come here.
What happened to those smoke grenades that you had?
I don't want to set the place on fire.
Good point.
Come on, dude.
Okay, he knows where I am.
No, dude, don't skip through the screen.
Alright, I'm out of ammo.
Are you sure?
That's me without.
What about your M4?
M16. Alright, I'm out.
Aww.
Sure? Dude. Well, get ready to shoot. Get ready to shoot.
I'm so gonna get hit here.
I'm gonna open.
Just shoot him anyway.
Come on, I'm gonna.
If you fucking shoot me, I'm gonna unload on you.
Alright, guys.
No, shoot him. Shoot him.
He just said he was out of ammo.
Fine.
He's not.
Shoot him!
Yes, I am.
Alright, game's over.
You
Game's over.
surrender?
Game's over.
He surrenders.
Do you surrender?
If you shoot him, don't shoot him. Don't shoot him.
One left side of the woods.
Yo, one right up on my bone.
Weak AK at Stonebridge, Stingy. Oh, I'm in the pole. Whoa! You got this diesel.
Sean is a cameraman. Are you kidding?
Fucking idiots.
Hey, I found reloader.
Yo, is anybody behind us?
No, let's get.
What?
They're not shooting. Oh! Why? Stop shooting my hand! I shot Ryan in the hand.
I got it. I got. Got him. Got you?
Yeah.
Hand. You got my hand.
Where's he? We don't have anyone to ricochet him. Whoa. I'll clean that up.
Mike, get out of the way.
Alright, guys. Back up.
Hold on. Guys, someone help me look for my clip. Go.
Hey, Dad. Gotta leave.
Oh. I'm very tempted right now.
Alright, we gotta pack up, dude.